Hi, this is Gary and this is my channel here. At MacMost, you're going to get video tutorials about how to get the most from your Mac. So there are new videos every day, Monday through Friday, and they're all tutorials. So I'm going to teach you how to do things on your Mac. It's from beginner level all the way to intermediate and advanced, whether you're just trying to figure out how to manage your files or do spreadsheets and numbers or edit video in iMovie. Whatever you're doing, I'm going to jump around on all sorts of different topics so that you could learn how to use your Mac to its fullest. The channel's been around for 12 years. I've got more than 2,000 videos here. So chances are, if you have a question, I may have already done a video on it. I love teaching people how to use their Macs. Matter of fact, I'm not even going to let this channel trailer go by without giving you some tips. So tip number 1, use Time Machine. Back up your Mac. I still see people out there that aren't creating any kind of backup, and then when something goes wrong, because things sometimes go wrong, you want to have a backup of your files. If you're not backing up, don't let it go another day without starting a backup. Tip number 2 is beware of what you download. It's really easy to keep your Mac clean and free from malware as long as you stick to the Mac App Store and websites that you absolutely trust. When people get malware, it's because they're downloading an app from a site they shouldn't be trusting. And tip number 3, I got to give you something a little more hands-on, and that is get to know the Spotlight menu. And that's hitting Command Space, and then it opens the Spotlight menu and you can do all sorts of things here. Of course, you can search for files on your computer, but you could also use it as an app launcher. Just start typing the name of the app. As soon as the app appears at the top, hit return, and you've launched the app. And also you could do simple and complex math calculations here. Just type the calculation out and you'll get a result. It's much faster than using a calculator app. So there's some quick tips for you. If you're a beginner, I've got a whole playlist with all my videos for beginners. If you're interested in a particular subject like iMovie or Pages, I've got playlists for those as well. And be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can see all the new stuff that I post every day.